So here we've got another question on introducing the idea of probability, and in this question we're given a bag containing 10 balls. We can see here the different types of balls in the bag. So we've got 3 red balls, 2 green balls, 4 blue balls and 1 white ball. And so as you can see, I've just drawn a quick diagram of this over here on the right, and that is going to be how our bag looks roughly. It's not a perfect diagram because, as you can see, all the colours are grouped together, so we would expect there to be kind of a mixture of different colours all around the bag rather than all the colours being together. Nicely organised, but this is just to illustrate clearly kind of different numbers of different balls. And so the actual question is going to be, what is the probability that a ball taken out at random isn't red? So we need to basically figure out how many red ones are in there, what the chance of getting a red one is, and then just subtracting that from 1. So if we say that R is going to be the outcome of getting a red ball, the probability of R is going to be the chance of getting a red ball, which is going to be the number of red balls in the bag straight from the question, which we know is 3. So we can put 3 here. We can also see it in our diagram. There's clearly 3 different red balls in the bag over the total number of balls in the bag, which we're told straightforwardly in the question is going to be 10. And so the probability of getting a red ball at random, if we take one out, is going to be 3 over 10. And this is also a good opportunity to introduce kind of a different idea in probability that you mightn't have seen yet, which is the idea of a complement event, or kind of a not event, which is the taking the chance of one thing and then just inverting it. So what I mean by this is if we just put an apostrophe after our P of R, this is the chance of getting anything but the outcome of R. So that would mean that we just take 1 and we subtract 3 over 10, because we know 1 is the total kind of probability in every trial, 1 is the maximum probability, and so we take 1, we subtract 3 over 10, and we're left with 7 over 10. And so this is kind of an opportunity to see as well how we would label this situation, and just to also make clear that this is the same thing of drawing a green, blue or white ball. But as you can see, it's just much easier to say the probability of drawing a red not, as opposed to the probability of drawing green, blue or white. And so as you can see here, our probability is going to be 7 over 10 for drawing anything except a red ball, because we had 3 red balls, there's 7 other balls, and so that is going to be it for this question.